Hey nerds, this is Suman and this is our today's integral, and this is very much easy integral for me. So just you have to open this, use the identity here, right? So I have I and I have integral 2 sine of x dx over 2 of sine x into cosine of x. So this is going to be cancelled out and I got I is integral sec x dx, right? And I'm going to multiply by sec x plus tan x by sec x plus tangent of x. So I got I is integral sec square x plus sec x tan x, and this is dx over sec x plus tan x. Okay, Suman. Okay. So now after we have to substitute. So because I know the derivative of secant x is secant x into tan x, right? And the tangent of x is secant square x. So it is very much beautiful symmetry here that if I substitute u is my this function and I calculate du, I got this is secant x into tangent of x plus secant square x with dx, right? So I got I is integral, this is simply du over u, right? So we simply get ln u plus some constant c, and we get ln, in terms of u we can write secant x plus tangent of x plus some constant c. So up to there, bye bye, and try to send your problems to me so that I can put it in my another video. So bye.